my channel. My name is Tracy, and for today's tips and tricks video we're looking at the Wink of Stella pen. Now this is a clear glitter pen that creates a lot of sparkle and shine to your projects, but there is some really great uses for this pen as well. So I'm going to bring in just a piece of paper. Now this one's I think pretty much empty. There is a little word here that says push, so you're just going to push it down till it fills the chamber here. Now this is pretty much all dead. Let's see if I can get anything out of it. Not really. This gets a good workout, so you can see, hopefully the camera picks up that little bit of sparkle. I'm not really well in that camera, but anyway, it's dead. You can throw it out and just buy another one, absolutely. But let me show you, when you've used the first line, if you unscrew that nib, there's a little black mark here. We're going to take that out. It's a little barrel of all the gorgeousness there, so you can see all that. And I don't know how well you can see in underneath there. There's quite a bit down the end there as well. What we're going to do is we're going to add some rubbing alcohol. So I've just got some Isocol rubbing alcohol. Pick that up at Chemist Warehouse here in Australia. You can get it from Woolworths as well. I'm going to take that lid off, and I'm just going to fill it up, not filling it completely up. Just put a little bit in. It just uses up what sparkle is still left over, and I'm going to get that probably everywhere. Try my best. Pop that lid back in. Let's put the top back on. Okay, I've got rubbing alcohol and glitter everywhere. Look at that. That's heaps of glitter. So make sure you do it over a sink or somewhere where it doesn't matter if the alcohol spills. I'll put that lid on. I'm just going to give it a little bit of a shake for all that glitter to get all in that rubbing alcohol. And now we should be able to push down and see the fluid go down to that barrel. There we go. Okay, let's see. Whoop. That was a lot. Look at that glitter. There is a lot of glitter still left in there. So the great thing is too, is once you've used up all the glitter that's in the bottom, wash it out, and you can use this as an aqua brush. It works the same way. You fill it with water, you've got your brush tip end, so it's really great use to use as well for that. And look at all that sparkle you would have just thrown away. Amazing. I hope you can use this tip. If you've enjoyed this video at all, please give me a thumbs up, and I'd love it if you left me a comment. If you haven't hit subscribe yet, please do, and make sure you click that little bell next to it to be notified of my next video. I've got another one coming out tomorrow, so hopefully you can join me for that. Until next time, have a wonderful day, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye bye.